guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can make a transparent background in Canva. So let's go to Canva. Okay, open Canva, then let's open a picture. Okay, let's go with this one. This have some background. Okay, now tap on edit image. Okay, you can skip them. Wait for it. Okay, now tap on effects. You will see this pop up. Tap on BG remover. Wait for it. It's that simple. Okay, and we are done. I'll just go to filter, then close it. Now you can save it. Let's download it. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can remove background in Canva. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. This will look like this.